Welcome back. Continuing the news. Campion College is in mourning this evening after the death of a student at the school. TVJ News understands that he was playing on the field sometime after 3 this afternoon when a goal post fell on him. The student sustained multiple injuries to the head and was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Kirk Wright reports.
This is the goalpost that reportedly fell on the second form student. We observed a considerably large amount of blood near the goalpost. There was also a piece of cloth or what looked like hand towel, which apparently they used in a bid to stop the bleeding. It's clear he lost lots of blood. TVJ News understands he was swinging on the post when it tumbled on him. The metal goalpost was clearly not anchored to the ground. When we got to the school, things seemed normal. Parents were doing pickups, and it was business as usual for the students who appeared clueless about the death of their schoolmate. On the playfield where it happened, a coach was conducting training nearby, seemingly oblivious to what happened earlier, until a police officer informed them to pack up. We saw individuals who appeared to be school administrators, but no one wanted to comment about the incident. At the school, you could tell that the police who transported the teen to the hospital were broken by the tragic incident. An officer got very emotional when I tried getting information from him. We saw no sign of any parent or relative of the child at the hospital or at the school. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Meanwhile,